Hey, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? Alan here with the Contractor License School in Temecula, and this is a video on how to get your contractor's license, end of the year special for 2025 in Temecula. We have a special deal going on here, and I want to make sure that you're able to actuate that special deal. And so let me just touch base with you on that. So we're ending 2025, and we're about to celebrate Thanksgiving and Christmas. Now here at our school, we celebrate those two holidays. We cherish them, and we're very grateful for being able to have life and be born here in America. It's a wonderful, wonderful place. And so I want to encourage you. We want to pass down that gratitude because we really appreciate you. We love contractors. That's why we're in this business. We are contractors, right? And so we're a team together. And so we want to invite you in for the next 2 months. You get signed up. We're offering you a really killer discount. So I want you to call in. You're going to get all the information at the end of this thing, right? But here's the deal, right? Let's say that maybe things are slammed because you have either a lot of work or with the holidays, you're having a hard time. You know what? You could just put down a $200 deposit, super simple, and you could start in January, right? We're going to hold this discount for you in through January. Now, come January 1st, someone tries to jump into this special, it's done. Sorry, it'll be closed off. But we want you to know that we cover all the contractor's license. So we have a pamphlet here. You could always request this. But basically, we cover general engineering, we cover general building, we cover all of the specialty license. And I'm not going to read them all to you because there's like total in contractor's license, there's like almost 60, right? But things like fencing or concrete or plumbing or electrical or cabinetry, painting, roofing, all those are covered. We cover every license. In fact, you won't find a license we won't cover. We got them all. So we got your back, right? So that's important. And since we're doing this here in Temecula and we're trying to really benefit the people in our community, our neighbors, you know, the people that are here in this area that we love, whether that's Temecula, Marietta, French Valley, you're all in that ecosystem. We want to benefit you. We want to take care of you, and we just want to share our gratitude on that. So one of the things you do need to know, though, even though we have this special, which is great, you need to jump in. This ends in 2025. I want to go over the details, and really I just have about 7 or 8 things I just want to touch base on what you need to know when it comes to getting your contractor's license. The first thing is you need the right information, right? And so that's us, right? You come to us, we're going to give you the right information, we're going to steer you right. You can always call us, text us, or drop us an email. The other thing is this: you need to find a good school. Hey, I'll be honest with you, there are a lot of good schools here. We are not the type of people who want to ever bash anybody. They're great, right? But really, why us? What makes us better? Well, because we've created a bunch of bonuses and things that benefit you. Did you know that when you finish our school, we actually make you a killer video for your school to be able to show off to your clients that shows off your work? No other school does that. Because imagine this: when someone's bidding a job or you get a call and the client goes, hey, can you come bid my job Friday at such and such time? You're like, yeah. So I'll be there. I'll see you in 2 days. Hey, do you mind if I send you a video of just some of our work to so you could see that before I get there? Did you know nobody does that? That's like unheard of. We do that for our contractors to set you apart from all other contractors. And that's just one thing that we do. We create your why. Now, our why is the reason you choose us is because we do things like this for you. We're not just going to bring you in, spit you out, and you're on your way, and that's it. We want to see you grow and thrive. And that's why our school is really good. Not to mention, we actually wrote our own curriculum because I was unhappy with the curriculum that many of the schools order from distributors, and I wanted to rewrite it and make it better, all right? Now, the next thing is you need to know the state requirements. Well, of course, you do have to be over 18. You have to have a valid Social Security number or ITIN number here in California, and you have to have 4 years of experience, okay? If you have those, you're ready to go. You'll qualify for every trade, so just come on in. The other thing is the application. This thing can be quite daunting. The thing with all the notes and the practical book you have to read just to fill it out, it's like 30-something pages. But you don't need to worry about that. All we want you to focus on is, studying your material. That's it. Passing our tests. You pass our tests, you're going to pass the state exams. The reason why we want you to do that is because, hey, we've been doing this so long, we could practically write that application in our sleep, literally. Maybe I'm half awake, but we got you. My team is fully trained, and we don't have any problems with that. We make it seamless and simple for you. Basically, you fill out the application, the only thing that you have to do is take that certificate of work experience that we're going to provide you. You take it to the person who's going to sign off for you. It could be a contractor, a homeowner, a business associate, or an affiliate, someone who worked in the same company as you, all those kinds of things. We'll go over the 8 different types of people later on. So the application's simple, right? The next thing is you take the test. Well, each test is 125 questions. So you take the law and business, and then you take the trade, whatever trade you're getting. You have to pass with about a 67 to 69%. So like I said, pass our test, you're going to pass those tests. Very easy, right? And the beautiful thing is, once you turn in the application, they give you a letter and they say, okay, here's the website, go here and choose your date and your time. You could choose to take both tests in one day. They do give you 3.5 hours to take the test. So you're going to be there a long time, probably 8 hours. But if you want to make it easier, and honestly, most contractors do this, they'll book one test. So they just study for the one. They'll go past the law and business, and then they'll go and reschedule the trade test, and then they'll go take that one. See, super simple, right? It makes it easy. And in that way, you only have to focus on one thing. And then you could pass that test and be done. Now, keep in mind, once you pass that test, don't just jump up out of your seat and start running around the office like you're a crazy person and run outside. You got to get that end of the year packet. Not end of the year, but the past test packet. So you get that past test packet. They give that to you. They're going to provide that to you. And then you're going to fill that out. You're going to do that on your own time, but you could bring it to us and we'll help you out. It's going to have you do things like, hey, you need to send in the final check to the state to qualify your application, because every 4 years or every 2 years you have to pay $400 or $450 to keep your application or your license registered. But the first 2 years you only pay $200. So pretty cool, right? You get kind of a discount already. So we're already providing that, right? Actually, that's the state. But anyways, so you're going to also, if you have to have work comp because you have employees, you have to get that and put it in there. But if you don't, you just sign the waiver and voila, you're pretty much done, right? Your general liability, you sign the waiver if you don't have it, and all those kinds of things. So it's super simple. But anyways, once that's filled out, you're going to send it off with that final check. And then within about 4 to 6 weeks, you're going to receive the license in the mail. Then you get to go to town. But I want to talk to you about the next thing, and that's the last thing. That's number 7. I call it BAM, branding, advertising, and marketing. One of the bonuses that we do give you besides the video is we have a website called Home Pro Works. It kind of competes against Angie's List because we have people who want work to be done, people like hoteliers, restaurateurs, things like that. Excuse me. And what we do is we tell them, go to this website and pick your contractor. Well, we only allow contractors who've been through our school. Hey, you choose us, we choose you. That's one of the benefits, right? Not only do you get an end of the year special here in Temecula for jumping in before the end of this year of 2025, but we also give you that bonus. Now, if you happen to need advertising and marketing, we do that as well. We're not going to bore you with that topic, but make sure you do get a website and get all that stuff going so you can start posting on social media and getting jobs. Really, that's what you need to do to build a successful business. We're going to be here to walk you through those steps, especially when you jump in. You're going to get so much great information, and you're going to get some one-on-one time. And by the way, I'm the teacher here in Temecula. I look forward to meeting you. I look forward to hanging out with you. We can grab some coffee, maybe grab a lunch, and we can go over these details. So reach out to us. We got this end of the year special for you. And if you can't start by December, the end, you can put a deposit down, start in January. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.